Meaning of inextricably.
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 Inextricably. The word inextricably is used to describe a situation that cannot be untangled or separated from something else. It means that two or more things are so closely connected that they cannot be disentangled without causing damage or disrupting the whole system. This can refer to physical objects, emotional ties, or abstract ideas. When something is inextricably connected, it makes it difficult or impossible to understand or address one aspect of the system without considering the others. This often requires a holistic approach to problem solving, where all aspects of the system are taken into account for effective solutions.